Most people assume a vanilla gift card works anywhere in the world, but that's where they get it wrong. The truth is more limited, and if you don't understand it, your payment can get declined at the worst moment. In this video, you'll learn exactly whether vanilla gift cards work internationally in 2026, where they do work, where they fail, and what you can do if your transaction keeps getting rejected. Let's break it down simply. First, here's the core truth. Most vanilla gift cards are designed for domestic use only. That means they are usually restricted to the country where they were purchased, most commonly the United States. So if someone like Alex tries using it on an international website or while traveling abroad, it often fails. But here's the problem. The card may look like a Visa or MasterCard, so people assume it works globally. That assumption causes most of the confusion. Now let's talk about where it actually works. Vanilla gift cards generally work on online merchants that accept domestic Visa or MasterCard payments, and do not require international billing verification. So some websites may still accept them, even if they are foreign-based but processed in the US. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The biggest reason for international failure is something called billing address verification, also known as AVS. If the website checks your billing address and it does not match a supported US zip code, the transaction will fail instantly. For example, John tries to buy a subscription service based in Europe. Even though the website accepts cards, the payment gets blocked because the billing system expects a local match. So can you use vanilla gift cards internationally in 2026? The short answer is no for most real-world international transactions. But there are a few workarounds. One option is using the card only on US-based online platforms that ship or provide digital services globally. Another option is adding the card to supported wallets like PayPal, but even that is limited and not always successful depending on verification rules. But here's something important most people miss. Even when a transaction appears to work internationally, currency conversion fees and security blocks can cause the payment to reverse later. So it is not reliable for long-term use outside domestic systems. Let's take a real example. Jake travels to Germany and tries using his vanilla gift card at a local online store. The payment fails. Later, he tries a US-based streaming service while abroad, and it works fine. Same card, different system rules. That difference is everything. So what should you do instead? If you need true international usage, a travel-friendly credit card, or a prepaid card specifically designed for global use, is a much safer option. Vanilla gift cards are mainly for domestic online spending, not global travel or international shopping. To wrap it up, vanilla gift cards in 2026 are limited to mostly domestic use, they depend heavily on billing verification, and they are not reliable for international transactions. If you found this helpful, hit like, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns on gift cards and payment systems.